Words of wisdom. Nof bin Fizala Bakali, the famous scholar of the early Islamic days, says that one night he was with Imam Ali. In the middle of the night, Imam Ali got up from his bed, looked for some time at the stars, and inquired of Nof whether he was awake. Nof said, "I got from my bed," replying, "Yes, Amirul Mu'minin, commander of the faithful, I am awake." Imam Ali said, "Nof, those are the fortunate people who adopt piety as the principle of their lives and are fully attentive to their welfare for the hereafter. They accept bare earth as the most comfortable bed and water as the most pleasant drink. They adopt the Holy Quran and prayers as their guide and protector, and like Prophet Jesus Christ ISA, they forsake the world and its vicious pleasure." North. Prophet David Dord once got up at such an hour in the night, and said this was the hour when prayers of everyone who prayed were accepted, except of those who forcibly collected revenues, or who were scandal mongers, or were persons in the police force of a despotic regime, or were musicians,